Hi, I am Amalie. I'm from Systematic Excellence Consulting, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a ClickUp account. And so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to app.clickup.com/signup. All right, so we're just in the first screen here. I'm going to go ahead and create a new account. You're going to put your email address in. Oh, hold on. I'm going to use the and then create a password, and then click on Play with ClickUp. Now I'm going to go get my verification code. All right, so I got my confirmation code. All right, so now I am in the very beginning part. Let's do it. We're gonna we'll keep it as my name. So your workspace is gonna be your business name. It's the highest level of the hierarchy. So I'll just keep it my name for now, but you can obviously change it, pick a color. I'm happy so far. We can change the theme color if we want. All right. Pick the amount of people that we have on yours. So we actually have a few people on our team. All right, we'll just select some of these here. Okay, and we'll go with that. All right, and then we'll go next. I don't know, I heard about word of mouth. And I'm not going to invite anyone to the workspace right now, but if you had people you wanted to, you would just put their email addresses there. These are Click apps, so these are things that you can use inside of your workspace. So I'm just going to click the options here. I might not use all of them, or I might. Looks good. If we use any of these apps, you'd want to select them. So for my team, we do use Slack, we use Zoom, we use Zapier, and Integromat we don't use at the moment. We use Zapier for most of our integrations, but if you use that, you can obviously select it. This is for importing. So if you're importing from anywhere, for now, I'm just going to select Excel and CSV. But if you are using one of these other ones, you can select that and import directly from it. I'm just going to hit done here. Now we're going to play with ClickUp. Okay, and so now we've come to the getting to started screen. And that is how you create a ClickUp account. In other videos, we'll go into other pieces of ClickUp and how to use it. If you are stuck and need some help, maybe one-on-one help, or maybe you have more extensive projects you'd like help with so you can get back to business, you can book a free discovery call. The link is below. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to delete a ClickUp account. Thank you so much for watching.